Let us continue with the exercise 3.2. In the last video, we discussed exercise 3.1. Please go and watch it in the playlist. Let us discuss exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of the linear equations by the substitution method. Here you have to use only the substitution method. There are three methods, that is substitution, elimination and graphical method. In the exercise 3.2, we are discussing here in the first domain the substitution method. It will be asked in your examination for 3 marks. So do practice it. Simply don't watch my video for the time pass purpose. Take a pencil or take a pen and notebook, and whatever I'm telling you, the steps, follow and practice it again and again. Okay, yes, let us discuss one by one. So there are 6 questions. We have to apply substitution method. I'll teach you 3 problems, and another 3 problems you only have to practice it by using same method. Only the numericals are different here, that's it. So remember always in the substitution method, take equation 1 and equation 2. Substitution, in the name only it is there. Substitution means we have to take one value and we have to put it in the another value. Then only it is said to be substitution method. First problem here in the solution part, you can see x plus y is equal to 14 is given, and take it as equation 1. Second pair of linear equations is given as x minus y is equal to 4. So take it as equation 2. This is the first step. Next, by solving the equation 1, we can take y is equal to 14 minus x, that is equation 3. Now, whatever the equation you have, third one, you have to substitute in whether in equation 1 or equation 2. So here substitute y is equal to 14 minus x in the equation 2. So here equation 2 is what here? X minus y is equal to 4. Here x I will write it as it is. Instead of y I have to substitute 14 minus x is equal to 4. Then by multiplying here in the first step, you can see here x I will write it as it is. Then 14 minus x is equal to 4. Now next you can write x minus 14 minus x is equal to 2. Here x and x you can write it as 2x minus 14 is equal to 4. I will write it as it is. So 2x is equal to 4 minus 14 will become plus 14. Then 2x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 by 2 is x is equal to 9. Now you got the value of x. By using the value of x, you can get the value of y also. So substituting x is equal to 9 in the equation 3. So equation 3 is here, y is equal to 14 minus x. So the value of x is 9. So y is equal to 14 minus 9. So you will get y is equal to 5. So therefore the value of x is 9. The value of y is 5. So this is regarding the substitution method. So this is very simple method. Okay, so same method we have to follow for the next problem. First take it as equation 1 and equation 2. Take any one of the equation 1 or 2 and make it as equation 3. Then substitute this equation 3 in equation 2 and you will get the value of x. Then by using the value of x, you can find the value of y. So in the conclusion, you will get x and the y value. So this is regarding the substitution method. So same method you have to follow for the second problem. Let us continue with the next problem. So here s minus t is equal to 3. Take it as equation 1. S by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Take it as 2. So by solving the equation, you will get s is equal to 3 plus t as equation 3. Now substitute this equation 3 in the equation 2. That is s is given as 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. By taking the LCM here, 6. So 3 2s are 6. So 3 plus 2 into 2. If I do, I will get 6 plus 2t, and here 2 3s are, so 3t is equal to 6. By cross multiplying, you can write, or if you add here 2t plus 3t, you will get 5t. 6 plus 5t is equal to 6 into 6. So 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. So t is equal to 30 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 6 I can cancel. So you will get t is equal to 6. Then by using the value of t, I can write s is equal to 9. So therefore the value of s is 9, the value of t is 6. So this is regarding question number 2. Next problem, question number 3. So it is similar to the question number 1 and 2. So take this as equation 1 and 2 and do it as homework. Next question. Solution fourth one, 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. Take equation 1. Then second one is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Then by multiplying here the points, the values of a1, a2, c1 and b1, c2, a2 is given in the form of decimal. So we have to multiply both the side equation by 10 to remove the decimal number by making it easier for the calculation. So 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3 into 10. It becomes 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Then take it as equation 3. Then in the second also 4x plus 5 is equal to 23. Take it as equation 4. By solving equation 3, I can write 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 3y is equal to 13 minus 2x. Take it as equation 5 as y is equal to 13 minus 2x is equal divided by 3. So substituting y is equal to 13 minus 2x divided by 3 in the equation 4, you will get 4x plus 5 into 13 minus 2x divided by 3 is equal to 23. By solving, I will get 12x plus 65 minus 10x divided by 3 is equal to 23. So by cross multiplying, you will get 2x plus 65 is equal to 23 into 3. So 2x is equal to 69 minus 65. Therefore, you will get x is equal to 4 by 2. That is x is equal to 2. By cancelling 2 ones are 2 twos are. If you know the value of x, you can substitute in the equation here. That is y is equal to 13 minus 2 into 2 divided by 3. Take x as 2, you will get y is equal to 9 by 3, therefore y is equal to 3. So the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3. This is regarding the first main problem of the fourth answer. So fifth one, you take it as homework. I will discuss now sixth problem. Okay, fifth one, take it as homework. Let us discuss with the last main problem of the question of exercise 3.2. The next question is given as 3x by 2 minus 5y is equal to minus 2. Take it as equation 1. X divided by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Take it as equation 2. By multiplying both equation 1 and 2 by 6, remove the decimal number, making it easier for the calculation. You can write 3x by 2 minus 5y divided by 3 is equal to minus 2 into 6. Then you will get equation 3 as 9x minus 10y is equal to 12. Now again multiplying 6 for the second equation, you will get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 as equation 4. Now by taking equation 3 and 4, I can solve it easily. So you will get y is equal to, by interchanging, you will get y is equal to 9x plus 12 divided by 10. Now substitute the value of y in the equation. Then you will get x is equal to 2. If you know the value of x, substitute in the y, you will get y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is the answer for sixth problem of the first main of exercise 3.2. Let us discuss the second main problem. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So here two equations are given. Okay, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. By solving, I have to find the value of y is equal to mx plus 3. If you know the value of x and y, you can substitute in the y is equal to mx plus 3. Then you will get the value of m. It is also called as slope. Okay. So here take equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 as equation 1. 2x minus 5 is equal to minus 24. By solving equation 1, you will get y is equal to 11 minus 2x divided by 3. Equation 3 should be substituted in the equation 2. Then you can write 2x minus 4 bracket of 11 minus 2x by 3 is equal to minus 24. If you solve, you will get x is equal to minus 2. This should be in the equation 3. Then you will get y is equal to 5. Last it is asked that y is equal to mx plus 3. So you know x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5. So you can substitute in the equation y is equal to mx plus 3. So you will get y is 5, m is minus 2 plus 3. So you will get m is equal to minus 1. So here x is minus 2, value of y is 5 and the value of m is minus 1. So this is regarding the second problem of exercise 3.2. So here also I am using the substitution method only. Okay. So question number 3. Here, from the pair of the linear equation from the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. Here we have to find pair of linear equation and also we have to solve by the substitution method. So first question is given as the difference between two number is 26 and one number is 3 times the other to find them. So we can take the first integer as x, second number as y. Here difference between two numbers is given as 26 in the question number 1. In page number 33 you can refer this in your NCERT textbook. And one number is 3 times the other means I can write x is equal to 3y. So I can write equation 1 as x minus y is equal to 26 and equation 2 as x is equal to 3y. By using substitution method again I can write x is equal to 3y in the equation. So I will use x as 3y. So 3y minus y is equal to 26 in the equation 1 I can take. So I'll get 2y is equal to 26, y is equal to 13. If you know the value of y, I can solve the value of x also. So substituting y is equal to 13 in the equation 2. Here I can, in equation 2 if I substitute, I will get x is equal to 3 into 13, that is x is equal to 13. So therefore the two numbers are 39 and 13. So this is regarding the question number 3. So this type of questions are regularly asked in examination. So you should know how to find the values. Second problem of the third problem of exercise 3.2. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller number by 18 degrees. Find them. So here larger angle can be taken as x degree, smaller angle can be taken as y degree. So what do you mean by supplementary angles? The sum of the angles are equal to 180 degree. So I can write equation 1 as x plus y is equal to 180 degree as equation 1. And again it is given that in the continuation of the question, exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees means larger angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. I can write the second equation as x is equal to y degree plus 18 degree. So take it as equation 2. Now again by using the substitution method, I can write x degree is equal to y plus 18 degree in the equation 1. We get y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180. So y plus y is nothing but 2y is equal to 180 minus 18 degree. So 180 minus 18 is 162 divided by 2, you will get y is equal to 81. So y degree is 81. If you know the value of y, by using or by substituting the value of y in the equation 2, I will get the value of x. So here y is equal to 81 degree. I can write x is equal to 18 degree plus 81. So I will get x degree is equal to 19. Therefore the angles are 99 degree and 81 degree. So this is regarding the question number 2 of third main problem. So question number 3 and 4th, take it as homework here. So I can give you the hint here. So question number 3, what it is given? The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. I can write it as 7x plus 3y is equal to 3,800 rupees. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Means I can write 3x plus 5y is equal to 1,750. We have to find the cost of the each bat and each ball. So by solving equation, I can write y is equal to 3,800 divided minus 7x by 6. If you know the value of y, you will get x is equal to 500. Then find the value of y. Then you will get the cost of one bat is rupees 500. The cost of the one ball is rupees 50. So take this hint and try to solve the problem. Next question. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered for a distance of 10 km. The change paid is rupees 105 and for a journey of 15 km the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? So here we don't know the prices of the charges per kilometer. So I can take here, let the fixed charge be rupees x and the charge per kilometer can be taken as rupees y. Here charge for a distance of 10 km can be written as x plus 10y is equal to 105 as it is given in the question. So take it as equation 1. And the second case, charge for the distance of 15 km. The two distances are there, 10 and 15. For 10 it is 105. 105 rupees, and for 15 kilometer it is 155. So I can take x plus 15y is equal to 155. Take it as equation 2. Now by solving the equation 1 and 2, I will get the equation 3. That is x is equal to 105 minus 10y is 10y. That is equation 3. So by substituting x is equal to 105 minus 10y in the equation 2, I will get y is equal to 10. If you know the value of y, you can find x as 5 here. So here charge for the distance 25 kilometer. That is 10 kilometer plus 15 kilometer. You will get 25 kilometer. That is x plus 25 y is nothing but 255. So fixed charges is rupees 5. Charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Charge for 25 kilometer is rupees 255. So these three conditions you have to find out in the fourth main problem of the exercise 3.2 of third main problem. So this is regarding question number 4, okay, of the third main. Let us continue with the next problem, that is fifth main of the third problem. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fractions. Here we have to find the value of the fractions. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. So fraction can be written as x by y. When 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, I can write x plus 2 divided by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11 as it is given in the question. Now if you cross multiply, 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. So I can write 11 into x is 11x plus 11 into 2 is 22 is equal to 9 into y is 9y plus 9 into 2 is 18. Now group the similar quantity. So 11x minus 9y plus 22 minus 18 is equal to 0. So I'll get 11x minus 9y plus 4 is equal to 0 here. So another condition what is given here, when 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, means I can write x plus 3 divided by y plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6. Again do the cross multiplication, that is 6 into x plus 3 is equal to y into y plus 5 into y plus 3. So I'll get 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. If you put the similar number, 6x minus 5y plus 18 minus 15 is equal to 0, you will get the equation 2 as 6x plus minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. If you interchange, you will get equation 3, that is y is equal to 6x plus 3 is equal divided by 5. Now if you substitute this value here in the equation 1, you will get x is equal to 7. So this is regarding the question number 5 of third main problem of exercise 3.2. Let us continue with the last problem of this exercise. That is, so still now it is not completed. Again, you have to find the fractions, right? So you can see here, if you substitute x is equal to 7 the equation, and you will get y is equal to 9. So the fraction x is 7 and y is 9. So you will get fraction as 7 by 9 here. So next question let me discuss here. The last problem of this video. Third main, sixth problem. 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So here, the present age of the Jacob can be taken as x year and his son will be taken as y years. 5 years from now means x plus 5 year. I can take Jacob's age and son's age is y plus 5 years. So I can write x plus 5 is equal to 3 into y plus 5. X plus 5, I'll write it as it is in the LHS. Here in the RHS, 3 into y is 3y plus 3 into 5 is 15. So I can write x minus 3y plus 5 minus 15 is equal to 0. So equation 1 is x minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. 5 years ago means before. So I can write x minus 5 years. Son's age is y minus 5 years. Again, same thing you have to do. X minus 5 is equal to 7 into y minus 5. X minus 5, I'll write it as it is in the LHS side. Here 7 into y is 7y minus 7 into 5 is 35. So I'll get y is equal to x plus 30 as equation 3. And equation 2 is nothing but x minus 7y plus 30 is equal to 0. So here Jacob's years are written. Here y is equal to x plus 30 by 7. So if I substitute in the equation 1, I will get x is equal to 40. If you know x is equal to 40 in the equation 3, you will get y is equal to 10. So I can write present age of the Jacob is 40 years and his son is